trading live with VIP right now. We're in the second trade of the day.
Making a playlist for the night, so when we're not playing the song we're shooting for, we could kind of have the vibe set.
Show you guys what my trade looks like. It's this gap fill, 50-point stop loss, just kind of like that. So, another day, another dollar. Let's get it.
If you haven't joined VIP yet, join VIP. I'm trading live every day, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. You can trade with me, see where I'm entering, what markets I'm entering. You can pick my brain, ask me questions. Alright guys, so we just got to the venue. We're on set for the Parisa music video shoot. One of my artists, Daytrading. Amazing Afro-pop song. We've been working on it for a long time. Great guy, I've been working with him for a long time. We're super excited to do this video. I'm gonna take you guys through the venue real quick, give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek before we get started, so come on. It's gonna be like a little patio area, so we're gonna have a couple like outdoor looking scenes, stuff like that. Over here we got Yagi, one of the ghosts right here. So we got Jay Desir, he's the artist. We're also just pretty much give you guys a little bit of the behind the scenes and everything that goes into making a production like this. So we're gonna keep you guys updated. Now we're pretty much making a playlist for the night, so when we're not playing the song we're shooting for, we could kind of have the vibe set and have the same kind of thing going so people can kind of dance and have fun. You know, we have food, we got drinks, you know, so it's gonna be a good night, man.
Alright guys, I'm trading live with VIP right now. We're in the second trade of the day. Taking a short on US 30. Going for a 1 to 2 risk to reward trade. Alright guys, it's New Year's Day. We are at the Boca Beach Resort.
Whoa, look at that fucking tree. Are you kidding me? That's crazy.
Alright, come on. Thank you. Let's pull up to the Boca Beach Resort. Thank you. Happy New Year's, guys. It's time to lock in. I'm about to go to the beach and get my mind right. I'm gonna make some content. It's like a cool little meditation area. Shuttle going to the beach. Alright guys, so I just wanted to say Happy New Year's. I'm at the beach right now, walking on the sand, getting grounded. You can see I'm at the beach right now. I just wanted to come on here and say, this is our year, guys. This is our year to achieve everything that we've been wanting to do, everything we've set out to ourselves, all the goals that we've created, anything we've procrastinated on, anything that we feel is close to us but we haven't got it yet. This is the year to really get to it. So let's put all of our focus into what we're trying to achieve, and let's stay disciplined and let's stay consistent this year, guys. I'm challenging myself to stay consistent and disciplined even through the hard times, and I challenge you guys to do the same thing. So I'm going to be taking you guys with me to the top. I'm excited to be doing this. I'm excited to be documenting my journey. I'm about to launch the course that I've been telling you guys about. So soon the course is going to be coming out. If you haven't joined VIP yet, join VIP. I'm trading live every day, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. You can trade with me, see where I'm entering, what markets I'm entering. You can pick my brain, ask me questions. I just want to continue to grow, and I want to help you guys grow. I want to teach as many people as I can, help you guys with the same journey that I've been on for years, and answer the questions I wish I had answers to sooner. So with that being said, guys, Happy New Year's. Let's lock in 2025's our year.
For my vlog, I make vlogs. So I just want to put it in.
This is where you go when you want to get your mind right. Very important to get your mentality right and your inner spiritual self and balance yourself.
This is my tropical oasis.